Resetting fault codes, is that a good idea? Myth exposed. If you're new here, OTR Performance helps owner-operators and fleet owners take control of their truck diagnostics. Save on maintenance costs, reduce downtime, and understand your truck better. Visit otrperformance.com to learn more. Now let's dive in and debunk this myth together. Resetting fault codes is necessary to validate repairs, but only after diagnosing and resolving the underlying issue. Most fault codes don't clear by themselves and need to be reset with a diagnostic tool. Identify and fix the root cause before resetting fault codes. Depending on the fault, you may need to run a forced DPF regen or another bidirectional command. Resetting a DPF filter fault code after cleaning the filter ensures that the system is ready for operation. Clearing an EGR fault code after replacing the EGR valve validates the repair. Using a diagnostic tool to validate your repairs is extremely important. That's why you want to make sure that you have a tool that works for your year, make, and model engine to ensure it's working and resetting the proper modules.